Hello everyone! Super Mini is so cool. Today I will show you the M1 Mini host. It's very small and so cute, just like a Rubik's Cube. The M1 Mini host weighs approximately 340 grams and measures approximately 7.5 cm multiplied by 7.5 cm multiplied by 5.25 cm in size. Although small in size, it has strong performance. The M1 Mini host is equipped with the Intel 12th generation Alder Lake and Series CPU and then LPDDR5 board RAM. With 2 or 4 network ports, the M1 Mini host can be used for office or as an intelligent gateway soft router. Now let's demonstrate how to install the Windows 11 on this x86 architecture host. Let's do it. Microsoft official website provides 3 ways to download. Recommend the second way, easy to operate. Click to download. Run the media creation tool. When the download is completed, click accept the license terms. Select the language and version, then click next. Using USB flash drive, continue clicking next. Wait patiently for the system to download. When the creation is completed, click Finish. Insert the boot U disk into the M1's USB port. Turn on the power. You can start to install the system. Wait for the system to go to the installation page. Select the language to install. Keep clicking Install Now. On the Activate Windows page, click I don't have a product key. Select the version you want to install. In this case, click Windows 11 Pro. Then click Next. Check the Agree to License terms. Select Custom Installation. Confirm the installed system disk. Next step. System starts installation. Select country or region, keyboard, deployment. Let's skip networking settings. Here you can press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Enter the code OOBEBYPASSNRO. Enter when you are done typing. The system will re-jump to the start page of the setting. Follow the prompts to set the settings. At this point, you can select I don't have internet. Next, set the account and password. Choose to accept the privacy settings. System installation is completed. Click Enter. Next, open the Device Manager. You can see that some drivers need to be updated. Miniroute official web disk provides drivers. We go to the tutorial and resource package for installing Windows 11 folder download. Here are the graphics card drivers. PCI device driver, Intel i226V wired network card driver, Realtek audio card driver. Open the drivers folder and click download directly here. These are all drivers that must be updated and will need to be downloaded. Since Windows 11 comes with its own Intel AX210 wireless card driver, there is no need to download updates separately. If you are using Realtek 8852BE, you will need to download it. Copy the downloaded driver via a USB stick to the computer that needs to be update the driver. Install and run the drivers one by one. All the drivers are complete. Restart the computer, can use the computer normally. Is the installation of Windows 11 very simple? Actually, we usually help customers pre-install the system, but if you need to replace or reinstall the Windows 11 system, you can refer this video tutorial. In the future, Miniroute will continue to bring more video tutorials to everyone. Please follow our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.